Welcome back to Doctor's Orders. My name is Keegan, and we're here for our daily dose of reading music for the guitar. I post these reading lab episodes every day, and I post general topics once a week. So please like and subscribe if you want more. Today I'm going to be doing, we'll be reading some music, and it's going to be basically a review of all the notes from the 5th string to the 1st string. And I mean, it would probably be smart to look at the bottom of the page, because that's when I write stuff that gets more challenging rhythmically. But you know what? We're not going to do that. I'm just going to play it, and then we'll take a look afterwards. we'll deal with the aftermath. Okay, here we go. Sorry. Okay, so let's see. So it looks like for the first few lines, we're all kind of on one string. So that first line's on the first string, second line was on the second string, and so on. And then at some point, we started combining the strings around measure 21. And then naturally, that's where things get a little more difficult. So maybe I'll take a look at measure 25. Let's see. So we had. So it's, maybe measure 25, it's just kind of good just looking ahead to just recognize when there's a deviation in a pattern. So if 25, rhythmically you have the same pattern 3 times, right? Bop, 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 bop. And then also, it's just going down the scale, C major scale, stepwise, right? But then you gotta skip down to B. So just to see visually that there's a third from the D to the B can help, or just looking ahead a little bit there can help from keeping you from getting stuck. I don't know what I'm saying. Okay, so. And then that phrase repeats. Twice. Okay, and then we have that last line. That part was a little tricky, so I'm going to look at that. Measure 29. So 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 and 1 E. So it's 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4. It's hard to hard to count that at the same time. So I'm just gonna go slower. Okay, when it's hard, you just make it slower. So 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and so measure 30. You've got this rhythm that repeats ba 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 ba, and then it reverses ba 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 ba. Okay, so that's a little tricky. Okay. One more time, that last line from measure 29. So that was. Whoops. Try that again. Messed up the rhythm, so. Okay. All right. Well, let's try it again. All right, that's all I've got for today. Hopefully that was fun, helpful to you, and I'll see you on the next one.